one of the things that I really want people to understand that is a part of my life and a part of my identity now is not only just that I use marijuana, medicinal and recreational, but that I do microdose. And the reason why I want to be outspoken and talking about it because I feel like this is something that a lot of us can be benefiting from, but we're so afraid to use it because the media, Hollywood, all of these images we're seeing about microdosing, medicinal mushrooms, magical mushrooms, whatever you want to call them. We're seeing that they're drug users or these are people that's just going around crazy. Like if you ever saw the movie Super Troopers, they made you think you eat mushrooms, you're gonna start licking the glass in the car or just being a complete idiot. And the truth is, it's nothing like that. And anybody who knows me personally, and if you know me personally, like I'm pretty well put together, I'm pretty strict and regimented.